Dr. Soorebettu Ramananda Prabhu. Professor Prabhu completed his BDS and MDS in Oral Pathology at the University of Bombay and subsequently earned prestigious fellowships from the Royal College of Surgeons of Ireland and England, as well as the International College of Dentists. He is the only oral pathology and oral medicine expert of Indian origin to hold fellowships from all royal colleges of the United Kingdom and Ireland, reflecting exceptional global recognition. Professor Prabhu has held senior academic and leadership positions worldwide, including the Professor and Dean at RAK Medical and Health Sciences University, UAE, Professor and Director of the University of the West Indies School of Dentistry, and professional appointments across India, Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Australia. A highly prolific scholar, he has authored over 23 major textbooks between 1992 to 2026, with additional titles forthcoming, along with more than 150 book chapters and over 50 scientific publications. His textbooks have been widely reprinted, translated, and adopted internationally, underscoring his lasting global impact on dental education. It was my privilege to introduce Dr. Soorebettu Ramananda Prabhu. Thank you.